Hey Plant Pals, I'm Mike the Gardener, and today's video is on what I'm going to be doing with some of my indoor grows now that it's been dipping into the 30s. So my outdoor season is pretty much done. So I'm going to turn my attention to my inside growing and stop having fun as much and start being a little bit more uh, thoughtful on the things I want to see in the dead of winter when it's 40 below. What's going to lift my spirits and what's going to taste good. I'm showing you this guy because this is the lettuce plant that won't quit. This thing is a monster. Again, I must be a plant whisperer because I had full plans to get rid of this and grow something else. And I still probably will, don't tell the plant. But I had it cut down to here and it just bounded back within like a week. It's crazy. So I still have plans for it. Still haven't decided yet. I believe I'm doing a video, or by the time you see this, I should already have done a video where I say, let me know what you think I should grow in it. And I probably will give it a try. As long as it's nothing crazy and will fit within the realms of the unit. This is my I-Do. I had the Red Fire pepper, the AeroGarden Red Fire, and it just constantly, like I said, it constantly made a mess. It was a beautiful plant. Took forever to grow. It was a almost 3-year-old plant, but I want to grow something different. So I've saved thousands of seeds off this plant, so I can grow it at will anytime I feel like. But I want to do something new. So I got to clean this system out and decide what I'm going to grow in it. I'm thinking I want to do a lettuce garden for the winter. So I'm going to do lettuces in this, and then this down here, this is my small deep water culture tub. I got 3 of them. This was the mint that went to seed, and once your plant goes to seed, it just pretty much dies. It gives up the ghost. It feels it did its job, and I saved bags and bags and bags of mint that I put in my freezer. And I don't really eat mint much. I don't make like teas or anything, so I'm going to clean this one out, and I'm going to, even though this one still has viable, healthy plants in here, I'm going to clean this one out, and I'm going to clean this one out, and I'm going to be a little bit more organized and grow just parsley, just sage, and just oregano. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. Any comments, questions, feel free to ask. And any recommendations on what you think I should grow in here. And don't say keep the plant, because shh, it's going away. Even though it's a monster. It's been a great plant. I've snacked on it a lot. But I want to try something different. Oops, alright, be right back. I'm going to show you one more thing I'm going to attempt. Again, this is something that I've neglected over the summer. I've been harvesting tons and tons of kale off of here, tons and tons of sage that I've frozen and saved. But I want to do something else in this unit that it's nothing. There's no pumps, there's no electricity. It's just an old shoe box, a shoe or Tupperware container that I cut a little slot in so I can pour solution in there, and I drilled a few holes. But this is on my experimental shelf. I want to redo it. Like I said, it gives me something to do in the wintertime and something that brings me joy. So yeah, I could keep harvesting and saving the kale, which has been delicious and great. But, you know, I want to have fun too. And I'll be growing plenty of other things that I can eat and harvest, and I want to try something new. So I haven't decided yet what, but I will definitely take you through that process. Oh, I did want to show the what's it called? The spinach strawberry, or strawberry spinach, one of the two. Right here, what you see all over is diatomaceous earth, because I was getting fungus gnats for some weird reason. This is the only container that they seem to like, even though there was no moisture on top. So I put diatomaceous earth on it, and that's taking care of the problem. Anyway, just a quick update on some of the changes that I'm going to be making. And any questions, comments, leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.